Want to master the one-arm push-up? It may look impossible, but with the right progression, anyone can build up to it. The key isn't brute strength, it's mastering one movement at a time. Today, we'll walk step by step through the exact progressions that build the strength, stability, and control required for a clean one-arm push-up. Plank hold. The plank hold is your foundation. It strengthens your core, shoulders, and glutes while teaching full-body tension. This is an isometric movement, meaning you hold one position under tension. A strong plank builds body alignment and stability, both essential for advanced push-up variations. Don't forget to breathe. Holding your breath increases blood pressure and may cause dizziness. Aim to hold a strict 60-second plank before progressing. Scapula push-ups. Scapula push-ups. This movement focuses entirely on your shoulder blades. Instead of bending your elbows, you keep your arms straight and move only your scapula, protracting and retracting. These muscles are critical for shoulder stability and strength transfer during push-ups. It may feel small, but it's powerful. Keep the movement controlled. Once you can perform 10 clean reps with straight arms, you're ready to move forward. Negative push-ups. Now we introduce negative push-ups. Instead of pushing up normally, focus on lowering yourself slowly, about 3 to 4 seconds per rep. This trains eccentric strength, when the muscle lengthens under tension. Eccentric control is one of the fastest ways to build strength and muscle. Complete 10 slow, controlled reps. When you can do that without collapsing at the bottom, move to full push-ups. Normal push-ups. The classic push-up. Simple but powerful. This movement builds chest, triceps, shoulders, and core strength all at once. It is the foundation of all advanced variations. Master this before anything else. Maintain a straight line from head to heels. Once you can perform 10 perfect reps, it's time to increase the challenge. Wide push-ups. Widen your hand placement. This shifts emphasis toward the chest and shoulders, increasing demand on upper body stability. Small changes in position can dramatically change muscle activation. Use your palm width as a measuring guide for consistency. Hit 10 clean reps before progressing. Diamond push-ups. Bring your hands close together, forming a diamond shape. This variation heavily targets the triceps and inner chest. Stronger triceps are essential for locking out one-arm push-ups. Keep your elbows controlled and close. Once you can perform 10 solid reps, move on. Triceps extensions. Triceps extensions isolate the back of your arms even further. This strengthens elbow extension strength, critical for one-arm pushing power. Pay attention to wrist comfort. Use a soft surface if needed. Complete 10 smooth reps before progressing. Explosive push-ups. Now we build power. Explosive push-ups require you to push so forcefully that your hands leave the ground. This trains fast twitch muscle fibers and improves neuromuscular coordination. Unlike other exercises here, this variation uses momentum intentionally. Aim for 10 explosive reps with controlled landings. When ready, move to the final progression. Archer push-ups. Archer push-ups are the final bridge. One arm bends and works hard. The other extends out for assistance. This shifts most of the load onto one side, preparing you for full one-arm strength. Resist bending the extended arm at the bottom. Keep most of the tension on the working side. Master 10 reps per side before attempting the final move. One-arm push-up. Now, the ultimate test. Spread your feet for stability. Place your non-working hand behind your back or on your thigh. Engage your core. Lower yourself with control, allowing slight natural rotation toward the working arm. Keep that elbow pointing upward as you descend. Lower until your chest nearly touches the floor, then press back up with power. Your shoulder blade should move naturally as your arm locks out fully. Your shoulders don't need to stay perfectly level. A slight tilt is normal. Think about controlled descent and smooth ascent. Balance is just as important as strength here. The one-arm push-up isn't just a display of strength. It represents patience, progression, and disciplined training. If you can perform 10 clean reps of every previous variation, you've earned this move. Train smart, build gradually, and don't skip steps. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more structured calisthenics progressions. See you in the next one.